Samuel Pepys, a naval administrator and member of parliament, is best known for his detailed and candid diary, which he kept from 1660 to 1669. The diary provides an invaluable first-hand account of some of the most significant events in 17th century England. This includes the Great Plague of 1665, the Great Fire of London in 1666, and the political and social upheavals of the Restoration period. Written in a personal and conversational style, the diary offers not only a historical record, but also an intimate look into Pepys's daily life, his thoughts, and his ambitions. The diary in 1669. Pepys concluded his diary in May 1669, driven by a fear of going blind. His eyesight had deteriorated significantly, and he believed that continued writing might worsen his condition. Although his diary ended, Pepys remained a prominent figure in public life and continued his career in naval administration and politics. By the time he stopped writing, his diary had already documented nearly a decade of English history with extraordinary depth and vividness. Key themes in the diary. The diary captures a wide array of themes and events that paint a vivid picture of life in Restoration England. Pepys' observations range from personal anecdotes to reflections on monumental events. First and foremost, it serves as a comprehensive record of the Restoration era, detailing the return of Charles II to the throne in 1660. Pepys provides intimate insights into the challenges faced by the monarchy as it worked to restore stability after years of Puritan rule under the Commonwealth. His descriptions of court life reveal the political intrigue and opulence of the royal court. The diary also provides unparalleled accounts of the Great Plague of 1665, chronicling its terrifying spread and devastating impact on London. Pepys writes of deserted streets, the constant tolling of church bells for the dead, and his own fears of contracting the deadly disease. His observations humanize the tragedy, giving modern readers a poignant glimpse into one of history's most infamous pandemics. Pepys's recounting of the Great Fire of London in 1666 is another highlight of the diary. His first-hand narrative captures the chaos and devastation of the fire as it swept through London, destroying homes, businesses, and iconic landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral. Pepys's detailed observations of the fire's rapid spread, the panic among residents, and the efforts to combat the flames make his diary an invaluable historical document. Beyond these major events, the diary delves deeply into Pepys's personal life and relationships. He writes candidly about his career, his struggles to climb the social ladder, and his relationships with friends and family. His frequent reflections on morality, ambition, and self-improvement give the diary a timeless quality, resonating with readers centuries later. Legacy of the diary. Although Pepys wrote his diary for private use, its significance as a historical document became apparent after it was discovered and deciphered in the 19th century. Written in a shorthand code, it revealed an unfiltered and uniquely detailed account of Restoration England. The diary is celebrated for its honesty, depth, and the breadth of its subject matter, ranging from grand historical events to Pepys's everyday experiences and musings. Today, the diary remains an essential resource for historians studying the period. It is housed in the Pepys Library at Magdalen College, Cambridge, where it continues to attract scholars and readers alike. Samuel Pepys's diary stands as a lasting testament to his keen powers of observation and his ability to bring history to life through the written word. His vivid descriptions, emotional depth, and personal insights ensure that the diary remains one of the most compelling and enduring records of 17th century life.